I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to change your Google account display name. Step 1. Open your web browser, go to myaccount.google.com, and sign in to your Google account if you're prompted. Step 2. Click Personal Info in the menu on the left side of the screen. Step 3. Click Name in this menu. You may be prompted to re-enter your account password for security purposes. Step 4. Click the Name field again on the next screen. You'll see a message letting you know that changes to your Google account display name will be reflected across your Google account, but that your previous name may still be searchable or appear on old messages. Step 5. Type your updated first name and last name into the respective fields. Step 6. Click Save at the bottom of the screen. Your updated display name will now be saved and will begin appearing across all connected Google services. As a quick tip, keep in mind that changing your Google account display name will not change your YouTube channel name or your YouTube profile picture. If you want to update your YouTube branding, you will need to handle that separately by going to the customization screen inside of YouTube Studio. Additionally, it can sometimes take a few days for your new Google display name to fully update and sync across every single Google product. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.